I want to tell you something I wish someone had told me at 22, not at 35, not at 40, at 22. Because at 22, I had the one thing that no amount of money can ever buy back, and I wasted it. I thought retirement was something you thought about later. I thought investing was for rich people. I thought I had all the time in the world, and I was completely wrong. Think of your life like an hourglass. The sand at the top is your time. And right now, while you are watching this video, the sand is falling, and every single day you wait to start is a day of compounding you will never get back. But here is the good news. If you are watching this right now, you still have time. And in the next 30 minutes, I am going to give you the exact millionaire blueprint I wish I had followed from day one. Let me take you back to when I was 22 years old, fresh out of college, first real job, first real paycheck. And what did I do with that paycheck? I spent every single dollar of it on new clothes, nights out, and a car I definitely could not afford because my finances were like a bucket full of holes where money came in from the top and disappeared through the bottom before I could even see it. I told myself I would start saving next month, then next year, then when I got a raise, then when I paid off my credit card, then when things settled down. But things never settled down because here is the truth nobody tells you. There is never a perfect time to start. There is only now or later, and later always costs more. By the time I was 35, I finally woke up, looked at my bank account, and felt sick. Not because I was broke, I had a decent salary, but because I had nothing to show for 13 years of working, no investments, no retirement fund, no financial cushion, just expenses. That is when I discovered the power of compound interest and learned the hard way that starting late does not just cost you money, and it costs you freedom. Imagine two people plant a seed. Person A at age 22, person B at age 35, both water it every single day, both take care of it. But by age 65, person A has a giant oak tree and person B has a small shrub, same effort, same dedication, completely different results. Because of one thing, time. This video is not about getting rich overnight, not about crypto tips or hot stocks. This is about the simple, boring, powerful blueprint that turns ordinary people into millionaires if they start early enough. And even if you did not start early, I am going to show you exactly how to make up for lost time. Albert Einstein allegedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. And once I understood it, I finally understood why. Compound interest means your money makes money, and then that money makes more money, and then that money makes even more money, growing silently and unstoppably in the background of your life. Think of a snowball at the top of a hill. It starts tiny, almost nothing. But as it rolls down, it picks up more snow, gets bigger, rolls faster, picks up even more snow, and by the time it reaches the bottom, it is an avalanche. Here's the number that will change your life forever. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 22 at a 10% average annual return, by age 65 you will have over $1.5 million. $200 a month, which is less than most people spend on coffee and takeout. But if you wait until 35 to start, that same $200 a month becomes only $380,000, same amount invested every month. 13 years of waiting, over $1 million lost. Gone. Not because you made bad investments, but simply because you waited. And that is the cost of starting late. And that is exactly why I'm making this video, so you do not make the same mistake I did. Here is the rule that every millionaire follows without exception. Pay yourself first, not your landlord first, not your Netflix subscription first, not your student loan first, but yourself first. Because remember, on airplanes, they always say, put your oxygen mask on first before helping anyone else. Because if you pass out, you cannot help anyone. And your finances work exactly the same way. The moment your paycheck hits your account, before you pay a single bill, move a set percentage directly into savings or investments, automate it, make it invisible, pretend it does not exist. Most financial experts recommend starting with 20%, but if that feels too much, start with 10%, and if that feels too much, start with 5%. Just start somewhere, because the habit of paying yourself first is worth more than the amount you start with. And once you build this habit, it will silently transform your financial life faster than anything else on this list. This is where most young Americans leave money on the table, and it drives me absolutely crazy every time I think about it. If your employer offers a 401k match and you are not maxing it out, you are literally turning down free money, and I mean that, literally. Imagine a vending machine where you put in $1 and it gives you $2 back every single time. Would you walk past that machine without using it? Of course not, but that is exactly what an employer 401k match is. Free money sitting there waiting for you, and most people just walk past it every single day. And then there is the Roth IRA. You invest money that has already been taxed. It grows completely tax-free, and when you retire, you pay zero taxes on the withdrawals. zero. And in 2026, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year into a Roth IRA, which is $583 a month, and invested consistently from age 22 to 65 at a 10% average return that is over $5 million completely tax-free. $5 million from $583 a month. And if that number does not make you want to open a Roth IRA today, then I do not know what will I spent years trying to pick winning stocks. I read reports, I watch charts, I followed tips from friends, and you know what happened. I lost money, not because the market was bad, but because I thought I was smarter than the market, and I was not. Think of the tortoise and the hare. The hare runs fast, but keeps stopping, keeps getting distracted, keeps trying to be clever. The tortoise just walks, steady, boring, consistent, and wins every single time. Index funds are the tortoise. An index fund simply tracks the entire market. When the market goes up, your money goes up. You do not need to pick stocks. You do not need to time the market. You do not need to be smart. You just need to be consistent. And Warren Buffett, the greatest investor alive, has told regular people for decades to just buy a low-cost S&P 500 index fund and hold it, because that is the secret. Wall Street does not want you to know, because if you just buy index funds, they cannot charge you fees to manage your money. Debt is the opposite of compound interest. Instead of your money growing for you, your debt is growing against you every month, every week, every single day. Think of debt like a monster under your bed that gets a little bigger every night while you sleep, a little stronger, a little harder to defeat, and the longer you wait to fight it, the more impossible it becomes. The average American carries over $6,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest, which means that debt grows by $1,200 every single year just from interest, not from spending more, just from existing. Here is the simple debt elimination plan that saved me thousands. List every debt you have, order them from highest interest rate to lowest, attack the highest interest debt first with everything you have, pay minimums on everything else, and the moment one debt is gone, attack the next one. And this is called the debt avalanche method. And the rule is simple. Kill the monster while it is small, because the longer you wait, the bigger it gets. Before you invest a single dollar, you need an emergency fund, and this is not optional. This is not something you build later. This is the foundation of everything else. Think of it like a seatbelt in a car. You do not put on a seatbelt because you plan to crash. You put it on because if you do crash, you want to survive. Without an emergency fund, one unexpected expense wipes out months of investing, your car breaks down, and you pull money out of investments, a medical bill arrives, and you go into credit card debt, you lose your job, and you panic sell your stocks at the worst possible time. The goal is 3 to 6 months of living expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account, untouched, boring, safe, not invested, not in crypto, not in anything exciting, just sitting there so that when life happens, and life always happens, your investments stay invested and your financial plan stays intact. Here is the truth about saving money that nobody in personal finance wants to admit. There is a floor to how much you can cut. You cannot save more than you earn, but your income has absolutely no ceiling. Think of a water tank with a pipe filling it up. You can patch the holes in the tank, which is saving money, but the real game changer is making the pipe bigger so more water comes in. Every $500 increase in your monthly income invested consistently from age 30 is an additional $1.6 million by retirement. $500 a month that could come from a side hustle, a freelance skill, a part-time online business, or a promotion you have been putting off asking for. So stop only focusing on cutting expenses and start obsessing over growing your income, because both matter, but income growth is where real wealth acceleration actually happens. The best investment I ever made was not in the stock market. It was not in real estate. It was not in cryptos. It was in myself. Because think of yourself as a fruit tree. And the more you invest in the tree with better soil, more water, more sunlight, more care, the more fruit it produces for the rest of its life. Every skill you learn increases your earning potential. Every book you read compounds your thinking. Every course you take opens a new income door. And I spent my 20s buying things when I should have been buying skills, because things depreciate and skills appreciate. And a highly skilled person in any field will always find a way to create income, no matter what the economy does. Your skills are the one asset that no market crash can take from you, no recession can destroy, and no competitor can steal. Invest in yourself first and watch every other investment in your life perform better because of it. Every time I got a raise, I upgraded my life to match it. New apartment, better car, nicer restaurants, bigger vacations. And my savings rate stayed exactly the same, which was 0, because I was running on a hamster wheel. Faster and faster, more money coming in, more money going out, never actually moving forward. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it is the reason why people who earn $100,000 a year are just as broke as people who earn $40,000 a year, because no matter how much more they earn, their expenses rise to meet it and beyond. Here's the rule that changed everything for me. Every time your income goes up, live on 50% of the increase and invest the other 50%, so you still get to enjoy the raise. You still get to upgrade your life a little, but half of every raise goes directly to your future self. Do this consistently and your wealth accelerates every single year while your lifestyle still improves, just not as fast as your bank account. I want to tell you something most finance channels will not tell you. There will be moments when everything crashes, when your portfolio drops 30%, when the news says the economy is over, when everyone around you is panicking and selling, and in those moments, every instinct in your body will scream at you to sell. Imagine you are the captain of a ship and a massive storm hits, waves crashing everywhere, visibility zero, everyone on deck screaming. The captain who panics, who abandons the ship, who makes desperate decisions in the storm, loses everything. But the captain who holds steady, who trusts the ship, who waits out the storm, arrives safely. The stock market has crashed dozens of times in history, and every single time it recovered. And the people who got rich from investing were not the smartest or the luckiest. They were the ones who stayed, who kept investing during the crashes, who kept their eyes on the destination and trusted the process, even when it was terrifying. So be the captain, stay the course, and let time do what it has always done. I want to be completely honest with you. When I finally understood all of this at 35, I sat down and did the math, and I calculated exactly how much my delay had cost me, and the number was $800,000, $800,000 gone, not because I lost money in a bad investment, not because some scammer took it from me, but simply because I did not start at 22. I want you to imagine something. Picture yourself at 65 sitting at a table, and on that table is either a life of complete financial freedom or a life of financial stress and regret. And the person sitting in that chair is being built right now by the decisions you make today. If you are 22 right now, you have 43 years of compounding ahead of you, which is an almost unfair advantage. If you are 30, you still have 35 years. If you are 35, you have 30 years. And even 30 years of consistent investing can make you a millionaire on an average salary. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now, not next month, not after you pay off that credit card, not after you figure everything out. Right now, because every single day you wait, the blueprint gets harder to follow, and the retirement you deserve gets a little further away. So let me recap the entire Millionaire blueprint one final time. Step 1, compound interest. Start now and let time do the heavy lifting. Step 2, pay yourself first. Automate your savings before you spend a single dollar. Step 3, max your 401k match and open a Roth IRA. Use every tax advantage available to you. Step 4, index funds. Be the tortoise. Boring wins. Step 5, kill your debt, defeat the monster while it is small. Step 6, build your emergency fund. Your financial seatbelt comes first. Step 7, grow your income, make the pipe bigger. Step 8, invest in yourself. Your skills are your highest returning asset. Step 9, avoid lifestyle inflation. Invest 50% of every raise. Step 10, stay the course, be the captain, and weather every storm. This is not complicated. It does not require a finance degree. It does not require a high salary. It does not require perfect timing. It just requires you to start. Because I am making this video because I was the person who waited. And I do not want you to be that person. I do not want you to sit at 35 and do the math and feel that sick feeling in your stomach. You have something I did not have at 22. You have this blueprint. Now use it. One small action today can light up your entire financial future. So hit that like button right now, subscribe so you never miss a video, and drop a comment below telling me how old you are and when you are starting. I read every single comment, and I will see you in the next one.